final step in programming automation is to perform a collision detection with corrections. Now, of course, this is best executed as the last step in programming. After you've added your probe moves, probe rotations, rearranged your features to optimize the path, this is the last step. This command alerts you to crashes, giving you the option to automatically fix the crash. This even supports Checkmate fixtures, which we covered in a previous webinar. Now, there's two ways to invoke collision detection. One is from the measure ribbon under Programming Automation, called Collision Detection, or number two, by right-clicking over on the segment folder or a group of selected features in the programming browser, which you can see on the right-hand side of the screen. Just a little side note here. If your computer's CPU happens to have multiple threads, then you can speed up the accessibility and collision functions by putting a check mark in this box. And it's a box that says Multi-Thread Accessibility Collision, and that's under the Setup Work View. Okay, so back to Checkmate here. We've got our probe moves and probe rotations, and we have a complete program ready to go. And of course, the last step is to perform collision detection just to make sure there's no problems. So I'm just going to zoom out on the part a little bit here so we can see all the probe rotations and probe moves. And so to access this, we're going to go to the measure ribbon, to the programming automation pull down, and we're going to select the bottom one here, collision detection, and we will let that run. And there we go, there are no collisions found. We have a good program that's all ready to output to a CMM.